Why are you not on YouTube? People are seeing you for free on the streets, by the way. Why don't you get paid? For each time someone sees you, each time someone comes across your video, you get paid for it. Your neighbors are seeing you for free. Why doing groceries? People are seeing you for free. If you're in a developed country, the cameras are seeing you for free. How about getting paid? Why people see you? Let that sink while I take a glass. This video is going to be more of kind of motivational freestyle. There's been this urge. I've been kind of in a tug of war with my thoughts. Fighting so hard to be able to bring myself to do this kind of video. This video is to motivate you. If you don't find it motivational, you find it inspiring. You don't find it inspiring, you find it entertaining. If you don't find it entertaining, you could be the critics. And I love critics. The Bible actually says, the Lord will prepare a table for you in the presence of your enemies. So if you do not have enemies, in whose presence will God prepare a table for you? You had that sound, right? It wasn't meant to be part of the video. So is that an excuse why you've not been creating videos? Probably because you don't have the right equipment, the right environment. Whoever that wants to fail will always find an excuse. You get the point now. This video is actually for people who don't get money. If you know you don't have money and you've been looking for a way to start a YouTube channel to be able to maximize your income, bring your intellectual property to the world space. Actually, YouTube is the fastest growing side business in the world. They are most competent, they are most reliable. What you give is what you take. It's guaranteed. They don't owe you at the end of the month. If you've been looking for a way to quit your job and be a full-time content creator, this is the video you need. We are about 3 minutes and 11 seconds. If you've gotten to this level, kindly hit that like button, subscribe. This is actually going to be the first of the series of the motivational freestyle. Here, I'll be giving you tips on how to get monetized. I'll be giving you tips on how to increase your watch time. I'll be telling you side hustles you need to do. We'll talk about affiliates, editing, content creation, subtitle, tags, hashtags, keywords. It's going to be a jam-packed information on how to make money on YouTube. Yeah, that's my man out there. He's wonderful. You get? So we are actually working on how to make money online. Now my brother, he has a boutique. I'll be showing you guys the boutique and clothes we've got to sell, so that you people can be able to patronize our business. So without beating about the bush, let me show you guys some of the contents we'll have. You see this in Portal. Because I have clients all over the world, we'll be joining this information with Portuguese and English. When they learn on aqui no Brasil não tem esses tipo de coisas, não tem. Entendeu? So this is an opportunity to be able to look at this. See, let me shock you guys. This video was not planned. But due to the fact that my guy, he too like money, they miss opportunity. You see say this video now go viral, it will be all over the world. So he has brought his product. This is the opportunity that YouTube will give to you. So if you're wasting time on looking for how to, this is the motivation you need. Your product, see this. You know that, no disrespect to Brazil, but most of the things here, Brazil produce their own products. But we'll get them imported, See products, See products. So you see, you must be on YouTube. It's an opportunity for you to showcase your talent. Because what is happening now, God bear me witness, I didn't plan it. I just on my camera to get motivated. I was actually motivating myself, But if I could motivate my friend and he wants to show, why are you wasting your time? You don't have money because you don't want money. If you really want money, you find a way. I'll be leaving a link da loja, algumas presas dessas coisas para vocês lá na descrição. Para quem quer compra, as valores baratos. Actually, the video has gotten better than I expected. I swear to God, man. I found my calling. And we get anything we wear in the fit now. So, let's continue with the video, Man, take a look at this. Take a freaking look at this. É sua professor favorito. With me, you gain everything. How to make money. Lifestyle. You get the best in the game. I give you everything. I'll make you dress well. I give you coordination. I give you tips. Damn. This camera ain't doing justice to this shoe. On the Lego D. Try. Now my shoe now my wedding shoe be this. As a black boy, I'm getting married to a Brazilian woman, so that my shoe will be shining. Very soon I'll invite you guys to my wedding, my baby mama. So here, there are thieves, here in Brazil. Just if you have interest in buying any of our products, just send me a DM. Levi's, we got it all imported. Our shop is at Tatuapé. I'll leave that. Eu vou deixar endereço para vocês no link. Qualquer pessoa que quer alguma coisa, só manda uma mensagem. Eu passei endereço para vocês, entendeu? Aí como você, as you can see, the video has changed. I was just motivating you guys. Now I got products to offer. If you're still on this video, smash that like button. Ajuda legal, cara. Every product I bring, the next is better than the last. Watch this. Men of style. And least we forget, the way you dress is the way you will be addressed. Bring your pen and papers. I'll be dropping gems, proverbs, verbism, metaphors. Try. Chai. Chai. This is for the cream de la cream. The cream. Wait, let me show you. One touch. That girl that said no, she will say yes. She go not say money don't come now. Is this cheap? Yeah? If they don't pick up these things on the streets. É sua professor favorito, esse pô, mano. Olha, tatuapé. É porque eu coloquei endereço completo para vocês aqui, ó. Só que esse vídeo não foi planejado, não foi preparado, então foi impromptu, entendeu? Por isso eu não coloquei endereço esse vídeo, mas por baixo eu vou colocar endereço da loja, algumas coisas, coisas que vocês precisam. If I can do this, you can as well. There is no more proof you need to start up a YouTube channel, because God in heaven bear me witness that I didn't plan this. But one thing about life and nature is that when you have set your mind, when you've set your mind on being successful, the forces and spiritual powers will work in your favor. Opportunities will arise. I'm telling you the truth. My friend, he just called me. He didn't even call me, he just came to my house and picked me up. You know, say I like this kind of thing, you know. Say make we just day. I say okay, make I just use this opportunity to do one sharp video for one. See opportunity, business. If I will not get money with this video, I won't be making it. So there is money on YouTube, an opportunity for your business to get to the world. Like for example, most of my viewers come from Mozambique. I've never been to Mozambique, France, Paris, United States. But my product, my face, is getting all over the world. There is a reason, it's a must that you must be on YouTube. If you are making $1,000 a month with your product, with your sales, I can guarantee you with your products on YouTube, you'll be making times 2, times 10 of those sales. Guaranteed. Subscribe. Look at this. Best of the best. And my location is Brazil. I can guarantee you these kind of things no day for Brazil. You can only get it with us. Hey. Zubi products. We also do handmade. You can give us your design. We'll create a product for you. If you also somebody that finds it difficult to be able to combine your clothes, you might actually have money to buy clothes, but you don't know how to appear at your best. You can combine looks for you. A gente arruma você direitinho para suas festas, seu casamento, qualquer coisa que você precisa. Você tá no lugar certo. É nóis. Olha isso. Pai, tá e piano não. You know with the best marketer. So that will be all for now. I'll be posting this video. Like, comment, tell me what part you like, and tell me what kind of videos you love to see. I really appreciate all the efforts you guys make in watching my videos. Até próxima. É nóis. Shout out to you, nigga.